Welcome to Vault of Civilizations. Today, we explore how premium buffalo milk cheese is made inside a US million-dollar factory. These lush American pastures are home to the buffalo that produce the rich, creamy milk used for our premium cheese. Healthy buffalo graze on dew-covered grass, ensuring the highest quality milk from the very beginning. Ranch workers in blue uniforms guide the herd toward clean feeding stations using advanced livestock systems. Buffalo cool themselves at crystal-clear water reservoirs while automated sprinklers operate in the background. Veterinarians perform routine health checks with modern diagnostic tools to guarantee premium milk quality. High-tech automated feeders dispense nutrient-rich fodder into stainless steel troughs for optimal nutrition. In hygienic washing bays, water jets and brushes groom each buffalo under controlled pressure. Climate-controlled barns with ventilation and robotic monitors maintain ideal living conditions year-round. As the sun sets, buffalo roam freely across expansive pastures, the pure origin of our luxury milk. At sunrise, the herd calmly moves toward a state-of-the-art milking facility on this American dairy farm. Workers guide buffalo through sanitized stainless steel gates using advanced livestock handling systems. Each udder is carefully cleaned with warm water sprays and sterilized cloths to ensure premium milk purity. Fully automated milking machines attach gently, extracting rich, creamy milk in a humane process. Thick buffalo milk flows through transparent pipelines toward stainless steel storage tanks. Digital panels display milk yield and quality metrics as technicians oversee the operation. Fresh milk is rapidly cooled in temperature-controlled chilling tanks to preserve its natural purity. Laboratory specialists test samples for fat content, purity, and microbial safety using advanced analyzers. Insulated tanker trucks are filled under sterile conditions, ready to transport premium milk to the cheese factory. Here at this US million-dollar facility, fresh buffalo milk is collected, tested, and transported under strict hygienic standards to ensure the finest quality cheese production. Insulated tanker trucks arrive at the million-dollar buffalo cheese factory at sunrise, engines idling. Automated security gates open, revealing a futuristic dairy processing complex humming with activity. Workers connect sterile pipelines to each tanker, initiating the milk unloading process. Thick, creamy buffalo milk flows through polished stainless steel pipes into giant storage silos. Inside the high-tech lab, technicians analyze milk samples for purity, fat content, and microbial safety using advanced analyzers. Ultra-modern pasteurization units heat the milk precisely to eliminate harmful bacteria. Rapid cooling systems chill the pasteurized milk instantly through heat exchangers, locking in freshness. Computerized control room displays real-time data as engineers monitor temperature, pressure, and flow. Gigantic stainless steel fermentation vats receive the treated milk, gleaming under bright factory lights. Inside this US million-dollar factory, fresh buffalo milk is carefully tested, pasteurized, and prepared for transformation into premium cheese using advanced technology and strict quality standards. Pasteurized buffalo milk flows into massive temperature-controlled vats inside a spotless processing hall. Technicians add scientifically measured starter cultures to initiate fermentation as mixers rotate smoothly. Precision robotic system dispenses rennet into the warm milk, beginning the coagulation process. The milk slowly thickens into soft, creamy curds under carefully controlled conditions. In a cinematic time-lapse, liquid milk transforms into solid curd, illuminated by sterile white lighting. Automated stainless steel blades cut the curd into uniform cubes, releasing golden whey. Whey separates and drains through polished filtration systems into storage tanks for byproducts. Giant stirring paddles gently agitate and heat the curds to achieve the desired texture. Conveyor systems transfer the curds through hygienic pipelines toward molding and stretching units. At this stage, pasteurized buffalo milk is transformed into curds using starter cultures and rennet. These curds form the foundation of premium buffalo milk cheese, crafted with precision inside this US million-dollar factory. Freshly formed buffalo milk curds are transferred into insulated stainless steel stretching machines. Jets of precisely controlled hot water soften the curds, preparing them for the pasta filata stretching process. Automated mechanical arms knead the softened curds, transforming them into a smooth, elastic mass. Glossy, stretchy buffalo mozzarella strands are pulled into silky silky ribbons, reflecting the richness of premium milk. Robotic molding systems shape the molten cheese into uniform balls and blocks with surgical precision. Workers in blue uniforms inspect the texture and elasticity of the cheese, ensuring strict quality standards. Freshly shaped mozzarella drops into chilled water baths where it rapidly firms up. High-speed conveyor belts transport the gleaming white cheese through a sterile processing corridor. Advanced sensors scan each cheese portion for size, weight, and consistency, while robotic arms sort flawless products. Here, the buffalo milk curds are heated, stretched, and molded into premium mozzarella using advanced pasta filata technology. This precise process gives buffalo cheese its signature softness, elasticity, and world-class quality. Automated cutting machines trim the cheese into uniform shapes with surgical precision. Workers carefully inspect each piece under bright lighting while automated scanners verify weight and dimensions. Robotic arms gently place the cheese into large stainless steel brining tanks filled with crystal clear saline solution. In slow motion underwater, buffalo mozzarella absorbs salt evenly with subtle bubbling. Advanced monitoring systems regulate salinity, temperature, and immersion time through digital control panels. An overhead view shows synchronized brining fats operating in perfect harmony inside the ultra-modern factory. Hydraulic lifting systems remove the cheese from the brine, allowing excess moisture to drain on perforated trays. High-speed air drying tunnels gently remove surface moisture, preparing the cheese for aging or packaging. At this stage, the buffalo cheese is salted and brined to enhance its flavor, texture, and shelf life. Premium buffalo cheese enters vast temperature-controlled aging chambers inside the US million-dollar factory. Endless rows of stainless steel racks display neatly arranged buffalo cheese wheels under soft, sterile lighting. Workers in blue uniforms carefully place fresh batches onto aging shelves using hygienic gloves and precision tools. Automated climate control systems regulate humidity and temperature with digital sensors and ventilation units. Close-up view of cheese surfaces slowly maturing, developing delicate textures and rich aromas. Robotic arms gently rotate cheese wheels to ensure even aging and consistent quality. A master cheesemaker inspects texture and elasticity, conducting a professional quality check under bright lights. Advanced AI-powered scanners analyze density and moisture levels, ensuring uniform maturation throughout the batch. Selected cheeses are transferred via conveyor belts toward packaging department, while cold storage maintains freshness. Here, premium buffalo cheese matures under carefully controlled conditions. This aging process enhances flavor, texture, and aroma, ensuring world-class quality inside this US million-dollar factory. Premium buffalo cheese enters a high-speed automated slicing and portioning line inside the million-dollar factory. Robotic stainless steel blades slice cheese into perfectly uniform portions with synchronized precision. Blue uniformed factory workers perform manual inspection checks, ensuring every piece meets luxury quality standards. Vacuum sealing machines tightly pack fresh buffalo cheese portions to lock in freshness and preserve creamy texture. Automated labeling systems apply premium branding and barcodes to each package with rapid mechanical printing. Eco-friendly packaging stations wrap products in sustainable materials while conveyor belts move continuously. Quality control scanners perform final inspection using high-tech sensors and laser accuracy systems. Finished buffalo cheese products are arranged into export-ready cartons with robotic stacking arms working in perfect synchronization. Cold chain storage rooms store packaged buffalo cheese cartons at optimal temperatures with deep refrigeration hums and airflow. Now, the buffalo cheese is carefully sliced, packaged, and sealed using advanced automation technology. Every product is preserved with precision to maintain freshness and premium quality for global distribution. A massive automated warehouse stores packaged buffalo cheese cartons in organized high racks. Robotic forklifts move smoothly between aisles, lifting pallets of premium cheese with precision navigation. Cold chain monitoring systems track temperature and humidity in real time across the entire storage facility. Workers in blue uniforms inspect sealed cartons before shipment, ensuring export-grade quality control. Conveyor systems transport finished buffalo cheese boxes toward loading docks in a continuous synchronized flow. Massive refrigerated trucks are loaded with pallets using hydraulic lift systems and automated docking platforms. Cargo containers are sealed under strict security protocols, ready for international export distribution. An aerial shot shows trucks leaving the factory complex, forming a convoy heading toward ports and airports. Global Logistics Control Room displays shipment routes, tracking buffalo cheese deliveries across multiple countries in real time. At this stage, premium buffalo cheese products are carefully stored, tracked, and transported through a global cold chain system. This ensures every shipment maintains freshness and quality from factory to international markets. Inside a luxury international supermarket, a gourmet chef carefully selects high-end buffalo mozzarella from a chilled display counter in a fine dining section. In a professional kitchen, chefs slice fresh buffalo cheese on marble countertops under bright studio lighting. In slow motion, buffalo mozzarella is cut open, revealing a creamy, rich interior texture with ultra-detailed realism. Chefs prepare gourmet dishes using buffalo cheese, including pizza, salads, and pasta in a high-end restaurant kitchen. A close-up of melted buffalo cheese stretching over gourmet pizza in slow motion emphasizes richness and elasticity. Families in a luxury dining setting enjoy buffalo cheese meals. A montage shows the entire journey from buffalo grazing fields to advanced processing and global distribution with cinematic transitions. An aerial sunset shot of the US million-dollar buffalo cheese factory glows under golden light. From peaceful buffalo farms to advanced processing and global distribution, this is how premium buffalo milk cheese is made inside a US million-dollar factory.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using Veo 3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other contents. This video is informative only and doesn't present AI visuals as real footage.